Hello everyone, I'm Bhavna and welcome to Divine Miracles. Today I thought that let me go out in my garden and let me speak from there instead of sitting in my office. So I shifted to my garden and from here I'm making this video. So I'm going to talk about me time today. Me time means the time which you dedicate truly and truly to your own self. It is not taken by any other person in your life, be it your spouse, your parents, your children, your friends, your colleagues, your office people, your staff, anyone. And this time can be maybe 15 minutes, 1 hour, or one whole day, or one whole week. It all depends on you, that how much time that you feel is important for you would like to give it to yourself. And in this me time, it applies to everyone. Whether we talk about females or males or elder people or youngsters or children, it is for everyone. Once in a while you should have me time, where you think about yourself, where you think that how you can nurture your own self, where you can pamper yourself, how to do that. So any activity that will give you deep pleasure, any activity which will give you immense peace, happiness and joy inside is very good for me time. So it can be, if you feel like sleeping, just sleep. Or if you just feel like watching a movie or any show, do that. Or if you want to make something for your own self where you can feel special, do that, right? Without feeling guilty, without feeling obligated, without feeling that what other person is going to think. No, just do it for your own self. What happens that once you start doing this, you are telling yourself that I am important. You are giving that importance to your own self. You are giving that love, that nurturing, that kindness to your own self. And once you start giving all this to your own self, you will start seeing that things are shifting for you. You will start seeing that yes, if I was feeling tired, I am no longer tired. My body is energetic. My mind is fresh. Because tiredness doesn't mean that only physical body will get tired. Tiredness means that yes, emotionally and mentally also you get exhausted many times. So living your day-to-day life. So just give this me time to your own self, where you can just forget everything, be it for 15 minutes, right? It's not supposed to be a whole day. Where 15 minutes you are truly into your own self and you are just enjoying that moment to the fullest. Just do that and just see that how things start shifting for you. You will see that yes, your mind is giving you new ideas, is giving you new energy. Your body is feeling powerful, your body is feeling energetic, and yes, there is little happiness generating in your heart, and there is little joy flowing in all your cells. This all starts happening. But first step you have to take is to decide that yes, I am important and I'm going to do this for my own self, without taking permission from anyone, without being answerable to anyone, without being obligated to anyone, or without being restricted from anyone. Just do it. Just do it for your own self. And would you like to know through Creator that how to have this energy, this vibration, this thought, this feeling and emotion in you now, that you know that how to take care of your own self, how to give priority to your own self, how to have me time once in a while for your own self, easily and effortlessly, in the highest and best way, knowing that once you decide that this is my me time, whole universe will come and support you. Energetically, everyone in your space will know this is your own time. No disturbance will happen. No botheration will happen. yourselves. You will be relaxed, you will be calm, and you will enjoy your own self. So would you like to know that how to have this now in your life and how to live it fully and completely, and what it feels like to have this happiness and joy in you now, knowing that the Creator's guidance is always there with you, so that you open yourself for new ideas, that what all things you can do for your own self, which will give you happiness and joy, which will give you nurturing and pampering, right? So just take a deep breath and allow this to come into you, and I'll ask Creator to teach you this easily and effortlessly in the highest and best way, at all the levels, in all the areas and aspects of your life, at the cellular level, in all the languages. I hope that is there. So enjoy yourself, have me time. Bye. Take care. God bless you all.